Hi, welcome to the new season of Doing Things with Dave. That's me. And in today's episode, we show you how to find the bright side of quarantine. I don't know what to do. Has this ever happened to you? Step 1, go for a walk. Lots of people are doing it now. Crazy. Step 2, do some chores. You got the time. Step 3, bake some bread. Step 4, breathe because you can, man. Step 5, enjoy the freedom that being loosed from the economic system has provided you. It's sublime. Step 6, now you have time to do a step 6. Step 7, go for it. Wasn't that easy? Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Doing Things with Dave. Stay safe and make the most of your day.